Hi friends, welcome to the series of A Bit of Statistics. In this series, we will be covering some basic concepts of statistics and some of the interesting facts about the statistical concepts. So the very first video we have in this series is on the difference between correlation and regression. Generally, we study these terms together and we are not very clear about the clear distinction between these two terms. The very first term is the term correlation and the second term is the term regression. Let me start with the definition of correlation. When I'm talking about correlation, it is nothing but it is measure of strength of linear relationship between two variables. What does it mean? Suppose I have two variables, variable x and variable y. If x is increasing and y is also increasing, then we can say both variables are moving in the same direction. When both variables are moving in the same direction, we can say there is a positive correlation. And when one variable is increasing but another variable is decreasing, we can see here this type of relation is known as negative correlation. Why? First of all, this is linear, and second, both variables are moving in opposite direction. That is why it is called as negative correlation. Now, the concept of regression is very different from the concept of correlation. In regression, we are trying to understand a functional relationship. When I say the functional relationship, I mean there is a functional relationship between two variables or a mathematical relationship between two variables, x and y. But in this relationship, we are trying to understand how x is responsible for variability in y. What does it mean? Suppose I have the data of daily sales of a particular item. Say it is the sale of day 1, then day 2, day 3, up to the sale at day 10, and I have 9 units here, 8 units here, 15 units here, and 8 unit here. So suppose I just want to understand why this data is varying, like why on a particular day we had so much of sales like 15, and why we had 8 units sale on day 10. So if we want to understand this type of variability in the data set with the help of an independent variable, we call it as concept of regression. We are trying to understand why my y is varying due to a set of independent variables or a single independent variable. When we consider single independent variable, it is known as simple linear regression model. Simple stands for just one independent variable. If we have more than one independent variable, then it is known as MLRM, multiple linear regression model. I will be covering these topics in later videos, but just to make the difference between SLRM and MLRM, I have quoted the difference here. So as we can see in the scatter plot here, there is linear relationship between two variables y and x. So here I am trying to understand how my x is impacting my y. I am trying to find a line of best fit. So suppose if I have a value of x, what would be the value of y? So from the line of best fit, I will be able to predict this value. So this is the concept of regression. So there is conceptual difference between the term correlation and regression. And if I come to the second point, this is the most important point, or this is clearly making the difference between these two terms. Correlation of x and y is same as correlation of y and x. Whether I make x or y and y, like x here, y here, or y here, x here, the correlation value is not going to be changed. It is going to be remain same. That means R1, R2, both would be same. Like order does not matter in the case of correlation, but it is not the case with regression. Regressing y on x is very different from the regressing x on y. In first, we are trying to understand the variability in y explained by x, while in the second we are trying to understand the variability in x explained by y. So that's how these two terms are very different from each other. I hope I was able to explain the difference between these two variables. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.